Hey everyone, we're back in commission. I was told that I currently could not take long videos at a time, but they're gonna release a patch. You're probably wondering, what am I gonna do? Look what I got at Walmart today. In fact, I got two Yokai Watch blind bags. These are Series 3. Can't wait to see what's inside. So let's open this one first, and then we're going to test it on the Yokai Watch, which I have wearing right now. Okay, let's open the first one. Need to cut that a little better. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, ooh. Let's open them. So, first. Ooh, we got Peck Pocket. And we also got two others I cannot identify. I'll learn the name of this one when it's inside the watch. And let's see. Let's cut it here. This looks like Machismo. Yeah, I think this is Machismo. I don't know for sure. Now let's open the other one. I don't know all the yokai, but I know a lot of them. I'm pretty good with my yokai, but let's see. Okay. Let's see who this is. Someone from the Erie tribe. Don't know who that is. I'll have to look back on the series. We also have Rockabilly. And finally, the other one. I don't know this one either. We're doing the awesome stuff here. Someone might be able to help me identify this is the Tough Tribe. So I've got my 6 medals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the other one? 6. Okay. So let's do the familiar ones first. We're gonna open the watch. Let's see which one I want to do first. Let's do Peck Pocket first. All right, here we go.
Peck Pocket.
All right.
Yours is mine. Mine, all mine.
I knew that was coming. That's what he says. Okay. Let's see. Let's do Rockabilly next. This is also from the Erie tribe.
Rockabilly. Ready?
All right. Now let's do some unfamiliar ones. Oh, wait, we still have to do Machismo. I think this is Machismo. I don't know. We'll find out when we insert it. Okay, 1, 2. Yokai Metal, do your thing.
Summoning Brave! Soul Shave, Label Engrave, Black Team of Brave! Minochi!
Minochi. Okay, I have not heard of that one. Alright, let's get on to the unfamiliar ones. I don't know who this is. Let's see. Erie again. Why am I doing that? It doesn't say anything else. Charna, I'll have to look that up. Okay, let's do this one now. Brave again. So far, it's only been Erie and Brave. I have a tough one as well. Let's see. I love these. Reunite. Okay, that's one I'm not familiar with. And the last one, is from the Tough Tribe. Let's try that one.
Summoning Tough! Stop! Red Bash Jungistan, Bing Bang Tough! Goruma!
Goruma. I don't remember that one. Probably from the game only. Okay. That concludes this video. I'll have a Minty talk up soon. And hopefully soon I'll have more medals. I have a total of 8 now if you count the ones that came with the watch. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, subscribe, and be sure to spread this video to all the Yokai Watch fans. There will be some OCs coming up soon that I'm going to do for Minty. Some of them are from video games, so they're not fully OC. Anyway, I think Studder has something he wants to say. Sorry. Minty's making some puppets of her own. And I'm her intern! And Freddy Fazbear's Pizza! I finally have a job that I like! Well, I like all my jobs. Thank you, Studder. No problem. Anyway, thanks for watching once again. And don't forget, give the like button a Springtrap jump scare. Mwaha! And I'll see you in the next video.